Meteorologist Kate Bilo in the Hyundai Next Weather Sphere. First day of fall, full day anyway.
First full day of fall, and you step outside and you're like, yeah, no fall in the air whatsoever. Some of the leaves are starting to drift down, starting to change a little bit, but still does not look or feel much like fall outside. But again, we're just getting started. So let's talk about what to expect today. Expect more of a summer kind of day with temperatures in the mid 80s, and we will see some humidity ramping up as well. And then the chance for a few evening thunderstorms, very typical of a summer pattern, not a fall pattern. So here's how we're starting off. We've got some clouds this morning. It'll be a warm and humid day. We're headed to the mid 80s. We should be in the mid to upper 70s this time of the year. And then we've got some spotty storms this evening. Greatest risk is off to the west. These will likely start to die down once the sun goes down. So depending on the timing, how far east do they get before we lose the heating of the day and storms really start to weaken? I think the greatest chance for anything heavy will be off to our far west and then kind of fizzling as they reach the city. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy. It's still warm, still sticky. That front stalled nearby, and a few late day or evening showers are possible. There is even the chance for some rain tomorrow night as that front starts to work its way back north as a warm front, and that'll come through Thursday morning with the chance for rain to start the day Thursday, and then the cold front Thursday brings heavier storms later on at night. So Thursday looks like our most active day, where we'll have some rain early with the warm front and then storms later with the cold front. Here's a look outside right now, though. You can see some blue sky. The clouds are starting to break up a little bit more quickly than what we saw yesterday. Clouds and sun right now. 65 is our current temperature. Dew point at 63, so it's pretty sticky outside, and a south wind at 7 miles an hour. If you're headed to the Phillies game today, here's a look at what to expect. We're looking at 82 degrees at first pitch. Nice and warm. We'll see the sun is about to set basically right around first pitch. Sun sets just before 7 o'clock tonight. And once the sun goes down, that's when I think you'll start to see those clouds thicken up. May hear a few rumbles off to the west. I do think these storms will be weakening as they move into the city, but there could be the chance for a couple of spotty showers, maybe a random thunder shower near South Philly about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. So something to keep in mind if you have tickets to the Phils Marlins game tonight. Satellite and radar showing the front that's headed our way, and it is weakening. The problem is there's a second storm system that's kind of connected to the tail end of this boundary. So what's going to happen? The front moves in tonight into tomorrow, and then it just stalls overhead, or at least a little bit off to the south. And then this system digs southward, rides northward by the end of the week, right along that same boundary, bringing us yet another round of rain and thunderstorms on Thursday. So here's what that looks like. Today, cold front approaches. You can see storms are widely scattered by mid-afternoon across central PA, getting into our westernmost suburbs at 7 or 8 o'clock tonight, and then into the city more like 9 o'clock. Now, this could speed up a little bit. I feel like these fronts tend to like to speed up a little. So I think we have to at least watch by 7 or 8 o'clock in the city, but as we go through the overnight hours, that lifts out. Then our next system starts to approach from the south, and what that's going to do is basically send another warm front through here Wednesday night into Thursday morning. One round of rain likely late Wednesday night, another chance for rain mid-morning on Thursday. Now, it's not a total washout for your morning commute on Thursday, but that warm front will produce some rain, maybe a few rumbles early Thursday. That lifts north, and then the cold front comes through right here Thursday night, likely not until later on at night, so I think the evening commute probably okay, but around 10 or 11 on Thursday night, some gusty thunderstorms are likely with that front. Hurricane Gabrielle just blew up from a Cat 1 to a Cat 3 over the course of just a couple of hours yesterday. It's now a Category 4, is expected to weaken as it goes through the next couple of days, but it is churning up the Atlantic Ocean, and for that reason we have a high risk of rip currents down the shore. So even though today's a really nice day down the shore, mid-70s, you don't want to go in the water because that life-threatening rip current risk is still in place. So a few scattered storms later tonight, chance for rain tomorrow night. Thursday starts with some rain chances, ends with thunderstorms, and we'll keep the clouds and warm temperatures, 80s in place Friday and Saturday, with just the off chance of a shower either day.